Thank you. Huh?
Yeah, yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, Grant. It's just there's a lot of thievery. It's so beautiful. Wow. Oh yeah, yeah. That's very clever. You got a lovely car.
Thank you.
Are you from France?
Yeah.
Are you here for a holiday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sunday.
Okay.
We are in. We was in the north of Ireland.
Right.
And today we go to Cork.
Okay.
Take the